Hello, my name is Daniel, the safari guide of course, and today we're going to see if we can try and find the famous rooster snake. They have distinctive yellow and black markings and are known to slither on the backs as a defensive mechanism. Today, they like to hide in the trees, in the bushes. They can be anywhere and very vicious. They are only findable at night, and let's see if we can catch one. Alright, we're looking now. And always be careful, they can be very vicious. Oh, I think I see one. Already, that is very close, Craig and me. Alright, so they can charge sometimes, but sometimes they're very friendly. And it looks like this one might be friendly. It sometimes is very aggressive, and they can be very aggressive. Okay, it's coming towards us. You never want it coming towards you. Whenever they're coming towards you, that means that they're trying to charge you. Alright, let's try and go. Oh, it's coming towards us. Alright, let's try and get it, mate. Craigie, mate, it's charging. It's charging, Craigie, mate. I'm gonna try and hop on it. I got it. I got it. Oh, it's trying to bite me. Oh God, oh God. Oh, mate, I think I got it. I got it, mate. And that's how you get them. Oh God, mate. Oh God. Okay, I think I got it this time. And that is how you get the famous rooster snake. Goodbye and have a good night, and always be safe.